All right, I think it's going to record now. Hold on real quick. The recording? Hold on. Yeah, it's recording. Wow. Okay, so here we go. So now, on your mini test, okay, you're just checking your work. So do you see how they're adjacent? They're close to each other. That means that that's going to equal 180. So you should have written x plus 114 equals 180. And I gave you points for that, for setting it up correctly. And then if you did the work, all you had to do was what? Take away 114, take away 114, which your answer is x is equal to what? 66? 66 degrees. And there's your answer. So then you got points for that. So on your test, if you got that, put a check and check. That shows me when I look at it, it's like, okay, they checked it. They didn't just take another picture. Remember, we got about Gonzalez was in the period 2. He said we got about 13 more days left. So I'm trying to give you as many points so you can raise your Fs, whoever has Fs. All right. So now this one, if you drew the two circles, the 139 would actually fall on the X. So basically they're the same. Okay, they're corresponding. These are corresponding. So X is equal to 139. That's it. That's all you had to do. You didn't have to do X plus 139 equals 180. So if you got it wrong, put an X and then just put X equals 139. That's it. Because remember, if you put 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, the 139, which is on 3, lands on 3. So they're the same. Okay? Now here, number 3, again, you draw the circle, and you can number them if you want, just to make it a little easier for you. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. So the X would be over here, right? So that means that they're adjacent, but technically they're actually they're on the same side. See that? They're not alternate interior, alternate exterior, because they're not alternating. They're on the same side. So this is now X plus 153 is equal to 180. Which again I subtract. Oops, sorry, you guys can't see that. Sorry. Which I subtract 153, which gives me X is equal to 27 degrees. Don't forget the little degrees. Okay, and that's it. So if you set it up, good. So you got 2. All right, so if this was 50 points, I don't know, I forgot how many points it was. 50, 50, 50, 50, 50. Okay, and that's it. That's all you had to do. Okay, and then on this one's also a little easy, right? Easy. Let's see, hold on. Because again, it's a half a circle, right? So X plus 54 equals 180. Oh, sorry, you can't see that. All right. So then what do? Yeah, subtract 54. So then you should get X equals 126. Is that correct? 126. There you go. Got it? So far, so good? All right. So far, 126. 126. Yo! Go! Corresponding angles. Make it 180. Someone should think of a song with this math that goes with the music, right? As use some math words. Corresponding angles, right? Alternate interior angles. Imagine. Man, I wish I had time. Alternate interior angles. Na, 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 na. All right, here we go. Let's do the next one. Here we go. So number five, number five. So if you look at number five, okay, and you draw the circle, right? The X will fall right there. So they're alternating. They're one's on this side, one's on the other. So, but they're called alternate. Some of you guys wrote alternating interior angles. And I was like, wow, that's pretty cool. I mean, I didn't give you credit for that, but I was like, because that wouldn't be fair for other kids because I didn't tell you. But some of you guys just did it, and I was like, oh, that's pretty good. Alternate interior angles. So remember, what happens? Do they equal 180? No, they're not together, right? So x equals 58 degrees. That's it. That's all you had to do. You didn't, because remember, you only add them when they're together, not when they're across. Okay, when they're together, adjacent. Okay, so that's your 180. Now, what about this one? Well, if I drew the circle again, this x would be right here. Look, they're across from each other. Oh, that's a alternating. So, but what is it? Alternating exterior angle, right? Because they're like one's over there, and it's like this. Whoa, whoa, one over there and one over there. And it's called the alternating exterior angle because they're on the outside. On the outside. And if they're on the inside, interior. Interior. Exterior. Right. I'm just crazy, right? So that's called alternating exterior angles. That it looks like an L, but that's your angle. So again, x is equal to 134. Some of you guys put x plus 134 equals 180. No, 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 no. So make sure you correct it. Okay. And remember, I'm giving you points to offset your errors right here. So if you're correcting it and you're turning it in, you're going to get extra points. Okay. So hold on. Hello? Oh, yeah. Hello? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm teaching right now. I don't know why I picked up. Can you call me later? I'm a teacher. Thank you. All right, cool. Sorry about that. I don't know why I picked up. All right, so here we go. So now over here, number 7, and I kind of set this one up for you. So there's your x. So and if you cut the circle out and you put it on the other circle, the x is going to fall there. And see how they're close together? So that's x plus 129 equals 180. So take away 129. And then your x is anybody? Your x is what? 51. 51. 51. 50. 51. 51. 51. Yeah. Hello. 51. Right? I don't know. All right, here we go. Now the last one on your quiz. Again, draw the circle. Draw both circles. And then where would the 59 go? It would go right here because you have a space in the bottom. So it would be here, space. So see how they're close together? So x plus 59 equals 180. Okay? So there you go. So minus 59 minus 59. So x is equal to, anybody? Anybody? 121. What? 121. What? 121. That's it. Someone said a 121. Yeah. All you had to do was take away 59, both sides. Because once you do one thing on one side, you got to do it to the other side. Whoa. Right? I don't know. I'm in a weird mood. All right, here we go. So there's your setup. So again, if you got it set up right, put a little check. Put a little check. Put a little check. Put a little check. All right. If you got it wrong, just correct it. Say, "Oh, I said it, setup was wrong." All right, and that's it. So we are done with this.